Alright, what's up YouTube? Just going to do a quick video here with the FoodSaver accessory. I've heard a lot of people talk about inches of mercury, how far it can get. Am I pulling negative 27? What am I doing? So let's find out. We got a liquid filled vacuum gauge here inside the accessory, and here we go. Alright, first pull, 18.5. Let's see what it does again. Up to 19.5. Let's do it a third time, see if we get any more movement. Alright, we're a little bit closer to 20, I'd say 19.75. I don't think we're going to make it to 20. I will pull it one last time just to see though. Alright, I didn't see much movement on that pull. I think we're going to call it negative 19.7, negative 20 inches mercury. For those of you that are curious, this is a FoodSaver. I don't know what model over here. The 3460. And it's got the accessory port down here. And that's the little accessory guy I'm using today.